In case you're trying to make up your mind on what type of multi-tool to get, whether it be a Leatherman or a Victorinox. If you're a person who enjoys embarking on adventures, whether it's a camping or hiking trip, or a DIY project, or just simply navigating through the daily challenges of life, perhaps this video may help you out. So here are 2 tools you may consider getting that are guaranteed to be worth your money. Built with the highest standards, both of these tools are impeccable. When it comes to quality, both of these get a 5-star ratings in my opinion. Leatherman Surge comes with 21 tools and costs around $149.95 US dollars. Victorinox Work Champ comes with 21 tools and costs around $130 US dollars. When it comes to dimensions, they come close to being the same in length, but not in height, width, or weight. This is where you'll see the greater difference, with the Surge being the heavier one. Now when it comes to tools, they are very similar, but they do have their differences. The pliers are probably considered the protagonists on the Leatherman, but don't count out the pliers on the Victorinox. I personally enjoy the Surge's pliers a little more just because I find myself using them quite often, but that doesn't mean that the pliers on the Work Champ aren't useful. They're just as useful, especially if you don't have a need for big pliers. The ones on the Work Champ will work just fine. The pliers on the Surge include needle nose pliers, regular pliers, replaceable wire cutters, and replaceable hard wire cutters. So if the wire cutters ever break or chip or just wear out, you can replace them with new ones. Beneath, you'll also find the stranded wire cutters, so many ways to cut wires with the Leatherman. Now the Work Champ also has wire cutters. They are non-removable though. Another thing to consider is that the Work Champ's wire cutters are limited to smaller size wires. The pliers on the Work Champ are spring action. Both of the tools also come with electrical crimpers. Both are limited as well to the size of crimping they can do, but for an emergency, these work just fine. The blades are similar in size, they're both lockable as well, so you can be sure they won't close on you by accident. Next you have the scissors, similar in size as well, just a different design. Both have spring action to them, and they both cut through paper and cord like nothing. So they both have reliable scissors you can count on. Both tools also have wood saws. However, the saw on the Work Champs is larger by close to 1 inch, but they both saw perfectly fine. They come in handy for small branches. The saw on the Leatherman is removable, whereas the one on the Work Champ is not. You also get a metal saw with an integrated metal file on the Work Champ. The Surge does not have a metal saw, but it does have a metal, wood, and diamond coated file that works similarly for small tasks. Similar to the wood saw, the file is larger on the Work Champ. The metal file on the Surge is removable though, the one on the Work Champ is not. Both tools also include wire strippers that'll come in handy so you won't be using your nails to strip the wires. Now the wire stripper on the Surge has some sharpness to it, whereas the Work Champs does not. Different designs indeed. Both of these tools also have awls similar in length. The greatest difference between them is how you grab the tool to use the awl. One is held horizontal and the other vertical, but they both get the job done. Now they both include can and bottle openers. The difference is that the Surge has them combined in one tool, whereas the Work Champ has them in 2 separate tools. But regardless of which one you use, they work fine for their intended purpose. Now the Work Champ includes 3 flatheads, 1 large, 1 small, and a mini. The large and small are located above the can and bottle openers. The mini screwdriver is located inside the corkscrew. The Surge has 2 flatheads, 1 large and 1 small. Both are located separately. The Work Champ includes 2 Phillips screwdrivers as well, 1 large and 1 small, whereas the Surge includes only 1 Phillips. However, the good thing on the Surge is that it's replaceable, and you can get different size bits to swap them out to. Now those are all the similar tools they have in common. Now let's look at the additional tools each one has. We'll start with the Work Champ. The Work Champ includes a corkscrew for those wine bottles or just for about anything you can stick a corkscrew into. Some people may find it useless, but others very useful. Now it also includes a keyring, some tweezers, which always come in handy, and a toothpick, which has multiple uses as well. The Surge, on the other hand, includes additional tools like a serrated knife, which comes in handy. You can never have too many blades. This also includes a ruler, which can be used for an emergency. And finally, the last tool, the blade exchanger, which can be used to swap out different tools, just as long as they have the similar fitting, like the saw and metal file. They can be easily swapped out and put to use in the blade exchanger. The Surge also comes with a hidden feature which they don't even consider as a tool, and that is a key ring, which is very well hidden, but once located, it can be slid out and put to use. So there you go, folks. Similar in many ways, but they each provide some distinction that sets them apart. But the one thing that both brands have in common is that they're very well built tools that you can rely on for many, many years to come. They obviously have many more products with a broad range of tools that meet different people's demands. So you can check out the different tools that they each offer either online or at your favorite stores that sell these brands. That is all I have for y'all today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to help out the channel. Thank you for your time. Have yourself a great day.